Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you fruit's name in Tagalog with English translation. So I'm gonna read this way, English first and then Tagalog. Fruit, prutas. And the first fruit is apple. Apple, manzanas. Avocado, avocado. Banana, saging. Bilimbi, kamyas. Cacao, Cape Gooseberry, lobo-lubuhan. Cashew, kasoy. Cherry, sirisa. Coconut, boko. Cucumber, pepino. Dragon fruit, pitaya. Durian, Fig, igos. Guava, bayabas. Grapes, ubas. Indian mango, Indian manga. Jackfruit, langka. Jamaican cherry, aratilis. Java apple, makupa. Kiwi. Lychee, lichias. Lime, dayap. Lemon, limon. Langsat, lanzones. Mango, manga. Mandarin orange, dalanghita. Native blackberry, duhat. Pineapple, pinya. Papaya. Pear, peras. Pomegranate, granada. Rambutan. Strawberry, presa. Star apple, kaimito. Sugar apple, atis. Starfruit, balimbing. Soursop, guyabano. Spanish plum, siniguelas. Snake fruit, alimuran. Tamarind, sampalok. Tomato, kamatis. Watermelon, pakwan. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you learn a lot with fruit's name in Tagalog. And thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the next video. And be safe.